Noong ika-29 ng Marso ng taong kasalukuyan, sa tanggapan ng Highland Agriculture and Resources Research and Development Consortium o HARDEC na nakabase sa Benguet State University, ang Philippine Council for Agriculture, Forestry and Natural Resources Research and Development o PICARD ay nagdaos ng isang media conference na tinawag na Technology to People upang ipakilala sa publiko ang ITAG.
Itong ITAG ay sabi nga kanina, di ba, during the presentation ay maraming terms na ginagamit niyan. May kinuday, may kiniing, ITAG, at ang na-observe namin ay pinaka-generic yung ITAG. It's the acceptable term for the preserved meat. Ganon. Ngayon, itong meat na ito, meat product na ito ay it has been traditionally consumed in the Cordillera, particularly dito sa Mountain Province at saka Benguet. Ang product na ito ay napakaraming cultural implications din ito. Kagaya kanina nang sabi nila, it has been used traditionally in special occasions, in milestones of the life of an individual dito sa Cordillera. Since birth nga, no? Since birth. Meron pa nga kaming na-interview doon sa aming research na nung ipinanganak na yung bata, gumawa na yung parents ng ITAG. And then they preserve it. When the time came na siya'y mag-aasawa na, then they opened the earthen jar and use it as food, no? Inoffer nila sa gods and then as food for the general public. Sa aming pananaliksik ay maraming iba-ibang process of preparing the ITAG product. Merong it's just salted and then sun-dried, or salted and then placed in an earthen jar, and then pagka gagamitin na nila, then they just take some part of it, ganon. Or some will also, after salting, ibibitin nila doon sa fireplace. And then every time that they need the meat to include it in the dish, kukuha na lang sila ng kapiraso and then isasama doon sa legume seeds, kagaya ng mga beans, mongo, ganun. Or hinahalo doon sa chicken, yung tinola sana kung sa lowland, tinola. Itong ITAG na ito, dahil iba-iba nga ang process ng paggawa, no, ITAG making, ay maraming mga pumupuna. Kasi kung punta ka sa market dito sa Baguio City, may makikita ka doon na sinasabit o inilalagay doon sa dinidisplay. Dinidisplay ay parang ayaw mo talagang bilhin. Kasi nung dumapo na ang langaw, nagkaroon na ng maggots doon. Tsaka nagdi-discolor. Kaya we don't want the consumers na ganon ang notion nila sa ITAG. So, nag-propose kami ng research sa PICARD na we would like to standardize the process of making ITAG and standardize the quality of the product itself, and to make it in such a way that we will conform with the good manufacturing practices. Tsaka hygienic talaga yung pagka-handling of the meat from its as a meat, raw meat, hanggang ito'y ma-process na product. So PICARD funded the research.
PICARD invested in that project in line with our efforts to innovate on what we already have, and considering that ITAG is truly ours. Ito yung isang animal-based food product that we can call really our own, na hindi natin kinopya from somewhere else. So doon naisip ng PICARD na mag-ilagay ang tamang technology so that we can improve the product for it to be compliant with food safety, and hopefully we can expand the market of this product and create livelihood doon sa mga cultural communities who own the product.
So 1.5 year ang duration ng research. Nag-start ito noong April 2009 and mag-e-end din itong April na ito 2011. we produce the value added